See, this female, for example, within when you release outside, say maybe another 4 or 5 hours, she goes through a process of making cup. That's what we do, keeping them in the smaller containers with a lot of the good food, while helping them, what do you call it again? helping them, mate. They grow really fast, climb up to the vines. It's amazing rate of growth. For several inches every day. In some instances, total growth, and then climbs up the tree, covers the whole, the crown, the shrubs or trees, and then what it does is anything underneath it kills, because it smothers everything. The research plots, and then I have 2 types of releases. We have in the research plot we don't count, and we release the general releases. So 45,000, but that is between DPI up in Gainesville and Fort Pierce and us. My point is, we do really test. That's why it takes all the way from 5 to about 10, 15 years before these bugs come out of our quarantine. We bring in like hundreds of bugs to the lab, to our lab, but only 1 or 2 come out of there that are really specific. They live as long as the plant is there. The plant is gone, they die. No, the tuber will. Well, there's another aspect of this. So we have another beetle that will come in, but it's this ball bill. So they will find in the ground, and they will. But it's still in testing stage now.
Basically, all those are just 2.
Yeah, but we have a lot. When we first get them out, they're pretty tiny, and there are several hundreds, so it might be hard. Like, you might miss 1 or 2, because they won't always stay on the leaf. They'll sometimes crawl around on the vine to go to a new leaf, and you will miss that. Here we have the adults. These are the generation 1 adults, and right now we have 9 of them.
Just in this one?
Yeah. And you can see a couple of them